Imagine a well-delimited world with mountains, seas, plenty of trees, animals, and of course, humans. Imagine now trying to feed the growing population of this world. To make it possible, we need a food and drink industry. The story of this world starts some years ago. At the beginning, they were just fishing and hunting. Then, as we evolved, we built farms and started fishing in boats. As time went by, the farms became factories, the boats got bigger and bigger. Roads, planes, railways, factories, shopping malls, and waste, a lot of waste. After that, no roads, no planes, no railways, no profit, no food, nothing but a wasted land. This story doesn't make sense, don't you think so? Let's try again. At the beginning, they were just fishing and hunting. Then, as we evolved, we built farms and started fishing in boats. As time went by, the farms became factories, the boats got bigger and bigger. Roads, planes, railways, factories, shopping malls, and waste, a lot of... Then the food and drink industry became conscious about its impact on the environment and began an incredible effort to reduce it. In the European Union, the food and drink industry uses 2% of total water, consumes 5% of the global industry energy, represents between 20% and 30% of the environmental impact of consumption. There is a true concern in the food and drink industry for developing a common policy of sustainability based on environmental friend lines, economic viability, and social responsibility. During the last years, some sectorial initiatives have been developed to measure the environmental impact, but only one involves SMEs, considers regionalization, and has a multi-sectorial approach, SENS. In the year 2012, 23 partners from 13 countries throughout the European Union begin a project to develop a harmonized system for environmental impact assessment of the food and drink industry, in particular in orange juice, beef, dairy and salmon. A system that must offer benefits to the industry, distributors and citizens. But how? Let's take a look. The system will provide businesses simple tools to contribute a model of sustainability itself. Tools that facilitate marketing in a market increasingly concerned about sustainability. A system that through the Environmental Information Document, EID, offers relevant information from the perspective of sustainability and therefore guarantees trust, transparency and added value. With the EID, the food and drink industry will have a standard and recognized method to communicate its environmental commitment. Sustainability information will reach to the customer with a simple model of labeling and the ability to access additional information via web. Thus, the end user will receive the added value of product, confidence for consumption, and satisfaction of emotional needs related to the values on sustainability. This will provide a virtuous circle in which the company offers information, trust and guarantees, and satisfied customers return brand value and loyalty. It is therefore a system that promotes sustainable business and in which everyone wins. And that makes sense.